in this example, we're going to convert the square root to the exponent first. So I have x minus 1 over x plus 1 raised to power 1/2. Okay. Next, I'm going to use this formula. Okay, so I have y prime is equal, remember, anytime there is no constant, there is invisible one. And because this is 1, I'm not going to copy this down. So I'm going to start with the exponent. So I have 1/2 times my u. And u is the content of the parentheses, I mean the whole fraction, okay? So I have x minus 1 over x plus 1. And we're supposed to subtract 1 from the exponent. So I have 1/2 minus 2 over 2 times the derivative of u. Okay, so times the derivative of x minus 1 over x plus 1 over dx. Okay, I'm doing everything step by step. So this is the derivative of quotient. Okay, so let me do everything step by step. So I have u equals x minus 1, so this is my u. So u prime is equal 1, v is equal x plus 1, and v prime is equal 1. Okay, so if you want to find derivative of the quotient in this case, so let me write this down over here. So I have derivative of x minus 1 over x plus 1 over dx is equal v. Okay, we found that v is equal x plus 1 times u prime, which is equal 1, minus u, which is x minus 1, times v prime, which is 1. Everything over v squared. So I have x plus 1 to the second power. Okay, so next we're supposed to organize the numerator. So I have x plus 1, because 1 times x plus 1 is x plus 1. 1 times x minus 1 is x minus 1. So I'm going to just distribute this negative sign into the parentheses. I'm going to have negative x plus 1 over x plus 1 to the second power. So I have x and x that are going to subtract each other. So I end up with 2 over x plus 1 to the second power. So now, let me get back to this derivative. So I have y prime is equal 1/2. I have x minus 1, you have to copy this down, x plus 1 to power negative 1/2 times the derivative of this fraction, okay, which we got over here. So I have 2 over x plus 1 to the second power. Okay, so let's take a look at what will happen. We have 2 and 2 that are going to cancel out, and this is equal. Now, because I have negative exponent, I want to convert this to the positive exponent. So I have to just flip the fraction upside down. I have to find the reciprocal of this fraction. So I'm going to have x plus 1 over x minus 1. And because I have power 1/2, this is going to be square root, okay, times 1 over x plus 1 to the second power. So you can write your answer as square root x plus 1 over x minus 1 over x plus 1 to the second power. This is the solution to my problem.